So we're here with one of our artists, Red, who came in from Australia, and this installation is currently up right now, for the next couple of hours. Has a lot of balloons here. Red, tell us what's going on.
So I've collected stories from 100 people from 33 different countries, and I asked them one question: what's your most meaningful object? And all of them have shared images of their most meaningful object. This one's Colin from Australia, and this is his sort of stuffed hippo that he brings around with him all over the world. So this is quite a happy sort of story. There's some happy, sweet, sad ones amongst them. So yeah, they're from all over the world.
Which one stands out to you the most, Red?
I actually had an aunt. I asked my aunt from China. I've got relatives there. What her most meaningful object is, and she told me it's a diary by her grandfather, who's my granddad to half. I mean, she's my half aunt. So, and the diary was about, I guess, his time during the Cultural Revolution, and he was part of, the burning down, the opposition, and all that sort of stuff. So that was really interesting to me.
Cool. Now, Red, I have to ask, what object is most meaningful to you in your life?
Me? Okay, this is actually a really tough question. Like you, I was gonna say my dog, but my dog Chowder, but I can't. It's the rule is to not talk about a living thing. So I think my diaries, maybe. I've kept diaries since I was 7.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, probably it is.
Very cool. Alright, well, I'm Joe at Airbnb, and we're here with Red, artist from Australia, who's one of our artists here at Design Week Miami. For Belong Here Now, signing off.